If you're looking for the best possible on and off-road experience for your Jeep Gladiator, Rancho's X-Lander RS3 suspension system will lift you up. This premium 3-inch suspension system features adjustable front control arms, a heavy-duty track bar, and front and rear progressive rate coil springs. The control arms and track bar feature Rancho's one-of-a-kind D2 bushings for reduced noise, vibration, and harshness while improving handling and ride quality. Pair this kit with Rancho's monotube shocks for the ultimate worry-free operation, like shown here on this Gladiator. This kit is the complete solution, with 2 adjustable front control arms, front and rear progressive rate coil springs, heavy-duty front track bar, front and rear bump stop extensions, extended length sway bar end links, and mounting hardware. Designed to work with 38-inch tires, this system is compatible with the Jeep factory electronic stability system. If you're interested in purchasing Rancho's X-Lander RS3 suspension system or looking to have one installed, check out the dealer locator below and subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.